Om Namo Bhagavate Shri Vasudevaya Namah. So today let's take some beautiful verses from the songs of the Lord, the Supreme Lord, from the holy book Sri Bhagavad Gita. These verses are directly related to the life and death of the human beings and also very healthy for stress management through divine healing. So let's take some verses. Ya enam yeti hantaram. Ya enam heti hantaram. Yaschainam manyate hatam. Ubhau tau na vijane to. Nayam hanti na hanyate. If a person thinks he can kill the soul or the soul is dead, such type of person is very under ignorance, because the soul is never born and so never dies. It is perpetual, timeless, eternal, indestructible, and all encompassing. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् न भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणम् न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. That is, the soul can never be mortal. It is an immortal phenomenon. It is ever existing and all encompassing. This human body undergoes transformations and changes because it is made up of, it is composed of the 5 elements of the nature: earth, fire, water, space. And so when there are changes in the elements of the nature, the body also undergoes these changes. Since the nature or the Prithvi is not immortal, therefore this human body made up of Prithvi and the nature is also not immortal and so mortal. So the soul, that is the microscopic part of the sunlight, brings changes in this human body from childhood to adult to youth, and finally when the body is very aged, very weak and not able to work, the soul leaves the body to enter into a new physical body. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grenati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani naya nayani sayati navani te. As the human beings leave and discard their old clothes to wear the new ones, similarly, this perpetual, timeless, immortal soul leaves the old, aged, and weak body to enter into a new physical body. Nainam chinnanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavaka, na chainam kledentyapo, na shoshati maruta. That is, we all know this verse is so close to our heart. Neither any sharp sword, neither any sharp weapon can kill this, can cut this soul, nor any kind of fire can burn the soul. I repeat, no sword can cut the soul, nor the soul can be burnt into the fire. And again, this soul cannot be soaked into the water, neither this soul can be dried with the help of air. So this can be tested and compared with the sunlight, since this immortal soul is microscopic subtle part of this sunlight. So the sunlight cannot be cut, it cannot be burnt into any kind of fire, it cannot be soaked into the water, and also sunlight and soul cannot be dried. Avyaktoe yam chintayoe yam vikaryoe yamucchitam tasma devam viditvenam nanu shochitum harsi. So in the songs of Lord, the Lord says, why to grieve for the mortal body? Why to grieve for the death? Why to worry for the death? Because the soul is never dead. The soul never takes birth. It is permanent and immortal. It is a microscopic subtle part of the sunlight. And it gives energy to the body through the heart, spinal cord and the bones, according to the qualities of the body. So this soul will neither be born in the future nor it has taken birth in the past. It is timeless, perpetual, eternal and all-encompassing. Start. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityu dhruvam janamritasya cha taschat pariharayarthe tasmat pariharayarthe na tvam sochitum harse. So you should never worry for the long life, never worry for the death, but in fact perform good actions, because the life of the human action is longer than the life of the human body. So we should work on the integration of the human body or the speech, the mind that represents the knowledge, the blood, and the heart that represents the sunlight, your soul, and the integration will result in a situation of equanimity where a person is indifferent between the pain, the joy, the failures, the achievements, and treat both the sad and the happy moment as equal, as a phase of life, because nothing is permanent. So if the joy is there, it too shall pass. If the pain is there, it too shall pass. So all these verses from the beautiful songs of the Lord really brings divine healing and helps us to march ahead in our life with good mission. So, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva.